coronavirus, there's a lack of hand sanitizer. So to continue staying safe, I'm going to be showing you all how to make my 3-ingredient hand sanitizer. So let's go. First, you want to put 3/4 of alcohol to help kill those germs. You need 1/2 cups of aloe vera gel to keep your skin smooth from the drying alcohol. Last but not least, add some essential oil, which I'm using tea tree oil. Now that you have all your ingredients into the bowl, the fun part, time to mix it. It's so gooey. Kind of like green slime or green jello, green apple. Mix all of this. Mix all of this. Alright guys, now you're just gonna pour it all into your hand sanitizer. Tons of tries and tons of messes. I use this. I finally got it into the bottle that I currently recycled. Now we're just gonna give this a good shake. Okay, that's the end of today's video. But remember, this is just temporary, and always wash your hands with soap and water. Now you need 1/2 cups of aloe vera gel to keep your skin smooth. That's the end of today's